What's up guys, Kanye FX here. Let's do a quick outlook on what I'm going to be expecting in the markets, Euro USD specifically for this coming week. First of all, we want to go into forexfactory.com. We want to check for high impact and zero impact news. If you want to check how you can filter that, you just press this filter button over here and untick this and untick this. These are the only news events that I'm looking forward to, and this particularly is just bank holidays. This guy here, on the other hand, is high impact news. So always make sure you look out for this particular type of news events every Sunday before you go into the market. Take a look at this. We see Monday to Wednesday, we have no news events of concern. We see on Thursday, we have some red folder news. So we're going to be careful while trading on Thursday. And then Friday, no news events at all. So next up, going to the charts. The first thing I usually like to do is I go to my daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what can we see here? If we go back a little bit, we see markets violated these highs, and then after violating this high, we see a break of market structure pattern. See, market violated, came above, created a higher high, played around a little bit, and then eventually broke below this structure, which I like to classify as break of market structure or a market structure shift. Having this at the back of our mind, we know the market is already bearish and we should be expecting bearish prices. Now we zoom in closer and we check for our closest PDRAs. This is another block, last bullish candle before an impulsive bearish move. And we can see that last week market already came back to test this zone. So we go into our 1 hour time frame to confirm if we are going to keep going down. So what can we see already? We see after market tested that bearish order block, next thing we can see is a break of market structure to the downside. Break of market structure shift, whatever I want to call it. And from there, we see market has been trading downwards. So now that we have the insight that the market is most likely going to keep going down, what are we going to do to get good trade opportunities this coming week? So take a look at this. We have this proportion block staring at us over here. So we mark this proportion block in anticipation that price is going to trade back up into it and probably give us trade opportunity, continue going down until we approach this low. This low might even be taken out before midweek or so. If we go back to the daily time frame, we can scout for bigger target. We can have this low as a longer term target. So let's hope for the best and let's see what the market does. I'm going to keep you guys updated by next week to see if our analysis played out. Until then, have a wonderful trading week. God bless you. Peace out.